Okay, now we're looking at e to the x and ln x. You know they are both inverses of each other. Okay, so e to the x and ln x are inverses. So if we're finding the equation of a tangent to the curve at P, where the y-coordinate is 8, we've got to find the x-coordinate. So first things first, we know that 8 is equal to 4e to the 2x plus 1. So we need to solve this equation, so we can say e to the 2x plus 1 equals 2. I've divided by 4. Right, now we need to learn it. Okay, so we need to apply logarithms, and we get ln of e to the 2x plus 1 equals ln 2. Now, you should know that as they're inverses, right, ln of e is nothing, so it's not nothing at all, it's 1. Okay, they're inverses, so we just get left with 2x plus 1 equals ln 2. Alright, we can then get 2x equals ln 2 minus 1. Now that's not in brackets, so it's ln 2 minus 1. Remember, ln of something is just a number, and so x equals a half of ln 2 minus 1. So that's the first bit. We found the x-coordinate. We also need to find, and I'll do this in blue, we need to find dy dx of this, alright, because we need the gradients. So dy dx of that is going to be 8e to the 2x plus 1. Now where that's come from is essentially, and I'll put this in brackets here, you've got the 4 out the front, and using the chain rule, it's the differential of, and I'll just underline it, the differential of this is 2, so 2 times e to the 2x plus 1, okay, and that's where the 8 comes from. Alright, so that's that. Now, when we put half ln 2 minus 1 into that, so we're going to put, where are we, this into here, okay, and use your calculator, you end up with dy dx equals 16. Alright, and so that's what we're going to do. Now I'm going to go on to green, and we get y minus 8. Now some of you might use y equals mx plus c, 16 brackets x minus a half. What is it? Ln, I can't remember. Ln 2. Ln, and I'm not going to fit it in, am I? Oh, how annoying. Okay, I'll just rub that out, and we'll start again down here. Okay, there we go. So we're going to get y minus 8 equals 16x minus a half ln 2 minus 1. And you can multiply all that out whenever you want. And hold on, I'm just finding my answer. I've got it here somewhere, and that simplifies to y equals where was it, 16x, that's obvious where that's come from, 16 times x there, minus 8 ln 2 plus 16. Alright, so you basically, what you've got to remember with these is e to the x and ln x are inverses. So in order to get one from the other, okay, we need to apply one to the other. So yeah, what more can I say? Ln of e is essentially is 1, and so we apply laws of logarithms all over the place. Remembering that ln of something, ln of 2, for example, is just a number, ln of 5 is a number, ln of x, so that's your variable, okay, so there we go.